Hi everyone and welcome back. So today I'm going to share with you how I grow cilantro. So I have two types of cilantro here. Now this one is the one that I bought this year, and then this one is the old cilantro. I think it's about 2 or 3 years old, and usually the old seed will have a harder time to germinate. So what I'm going to show with you today is how to help the cilantro to grow. So for the new cilantro, it can be as easy as just putting the seed in the cell pack. Yeah, so I have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 seed on each of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So this one is the new cilantro seed. It's easier to grow this because it's the new one. See, this one is 2022. Now this one is the older seed. I think 2019 or 2008, it was a free gift. So for old seed, what you can do is, right, let's see. Right, okay, let's, just for the sake of the control group. So I have this one that I did not crush, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right, so we have now for this one, what you can do is, right, just take a clothespin, yeah, and then just gently split it like this. You see, it's splitting. Yep. So that one. So for each of the cilantro seed is actually another seed inside it. So we just put it there. Let's crush. So you just gently, like that. Just, there we go. I hope you can see this. There we go. Just gently. Oops. You don't have to be hard. You just need to crack open the seed. Yeah, I see, like this one. So this one is the seed. So from each of these, you will get 2 seedling. So this one, 2, 3, 4, 4, and 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we have this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So this one is the one that we crush because the seed is all, and this one is the one that we did not crush. However, this one we did not crush just to see whether it will make any difference. So now that you have all that, just put some soil here. Yep, just cover it with some soil. There we go. And then water the seed nicely. So this is the cilantro seed that we start about a week ago. Today is April 1st and we start this on the 24th of March. So this one here is the one that we did not crush because this is the new seed, so there's no need to crush it. And as you can see, most of them already start sprouting. And on this side, this is the seed that we crush because it's an old seed. And if you remember, the one here we did not crush just to see whether it will sprout if we did not crush it. So as you can see here, none of them sprout yet, but these two that we crush, they start sprouting already. So on this one is the old seed. These two we crush and this one we did not crush, and it looked like it having a hard time trying to break free from the seed coating. And meanwhile on this one is the new seed, and of course new seed, they always perform best. So this one you don't have to crush it, they will sprout readily. So this is the cilantro today. Today is April 5th and this one here finally decided to sprout. So we have some sign of life here showing over here. And this too was the one that we crushed, and some of the seed over there is showing some sign of life as well. And this one over here was the one that we did not crush because it's the new seed. So if you have trouble sprouting your cilantro, maybe it's an old seed, you can try crushing them and maybe that will help with the germination rate. So I hope this video will be beneficial for your garden. If you like the content of our channel, consider subscribing to our channel. And I see you next time. Happy gardening!